Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are great and amazing and doing something special in your life. So, today I am standing here to share with you all one of important topic or we can say the data of schooling. So, as you all know about me, my name is Sumit Kumar and today I and my team members going to present here the topic of do you have enough capacity for schooling in your locality. So let me introduce my team members. My team members are the Prerna and Sajid and Salu and I. We are going to present.
Move ahead towards from our presentations. So, if you want to open a school in your locality, you must follow these instructions. First of all, we must collect the data of our locality schools. It means as you know about it, in our area there has a public and primary schools, and many things are similar in both these schools. So now let me move ahead towards from knowing the difference between in both schools with our collected data. Okay, so let's move ahead next. So as you see now, there has many facts that affect private various public school decisions like academic reputation and college preparation, religious and moral instructions, school size and class sizes, special programs, location, ideology, teachers, sports. There are many facts in this concept. So let's move forward in the next page. So as you see, like private school education facts. 1 in 4 schools are private schools. It is our first point, and the second point is depends manually on tuition fees and funds coming from non-public sources. So what is the non-public sources like religious organizations, grants, charitable donations, or there is NGOs, many NGOs as well that give the donations for schools. So let's move ahead in the next page. So here we are going to see the private schools capability. So as you see, like private schools capability, small classes there is and better computers, better textbooks and materials. Classes are more challenging. Lot of schools are religions based. Per teachers have less, minimum 20 students for better learning or understanding. And if we are going to see the private school annexity, so it is like this, like there is a higher cost. Teachers do not have to be certified with degree. Less classes to choose from. Do not always offer special education classes. Some schools have entrance exam as well. Lot of schools are religious based. It is also harmful for our community, we can say. So let's move forward to the next page. Okay, well, after that, as you see that students in private school 24% only. Students that graduate private schools 88%. Yes, it's good. Students in private school that attend the college only 40%. It's sad. Students in private school that graduate college 35% only because of too cost they are charging for studies. That's the reason. So here we have one graph as well, the private school graph, that 35% students in private school that graduate college and 40% students in private school that attend the college. As we can already see that 88% students that graduate in private schools and 24% students in the private schools. As you see the graph, here is a graph as well. So let's move forward on next page. Here comes to on public school education facts. So as you see, 90% of students go to public schools. It was really good. Depends on government funds, local, state and federal funds. Okay, so let's go next. So next we have students in public school 76%. It was also good. Students that graduate from public school 76%. Wow, nice. And students in public school that attend the college 65%. It was also nice. Students in public school that graduate college 55%. I'm sorry. So here is as you see the graph as well, the same graph, the mention here that we already said that. So let's move forward on next page. Now we are come from the public schools capability. So here is mentioned more classes to choose from, more sports programs with a large area, more arts and music programs, no or low cost. Teacher must be certified here. So it was nice for government schools because without certified teachers there is not any job for any teachers. Yes, we can say it. So next we are going to next page. Okay, here we have public school annexity as well, the larger classes. Okay, it was nice. Per one teacher have 70 students for teach. Oh, because of these students are facing problems with understanding their learning and studies. That's a really valid point, because how can one teacher teach all the 70 students? It's not possible. It is not possible for me and maybe another person as well. So how can they one teacher teach them 70 students? It's a valid point really. So we have next, more days of from schools, outdated next textbook and materials. Okay, it was also a valid point. Many public schools which do not have English medium facilities. Yes, it's a very biggest problem in this in our government schools. Exposure to unwanted lifestyles. Yes, limited advanced curriculum for advanced learners, higher dropout rates. Yes, it's a really true and valid point as well. The many researchers also prove that this point. Building in despair. As we can see one picture as well here mentioned, that one girl is sitting here and the board followed down on floor. Yes. So let's move ahead next. We can see here some issues written here with chart graph. Okay, so first we are going to read the issue. Percentage of teachers who perceive citizen issue as serious problems in their schools. So as we can see here public school comparison with private school. Okay, so students described for teachers 70% in public school and 4% in private school. So as we can see here, use of alcohol 70% in government school, 3% in private school. Okay, students traditions 10% in public school and 3% in private schools. Students absenteeism means absent 14% in government school or 3% in private school. Yes, because of rule or that's the reason. And students unpaid to learn 30% in government school, 5% in private school. Lack of parent involvement 24% in government school and 3% in private school. Student apathy 21% in government school and 4% in private school. Okay, so let's move ahead and next page. After watching all the conclusion, I had comes to this concern that I had prepared the one summary as well. In our area there's two types of school, as you know about it. The public school, government school, the private school, they are charging the fees of studies. Both the school are different in government schools. It's not developed like private schools, but some similarity also between in the schools. Both the school clean and hygienic. Both the school have a different techniques of studies. So let's move forward on next page. As we can see here, some reference also mentioned here, and I will share with you. I got all the information from the teachers interviews and from the parents interviews, and I had some took data from social medias as well, and some took data from news as well. And I asked with my siblings and cousins as well, because of they are also studying from public schools and private schools. So I had collected the data from theirs as well. So thank you for listening me and watching me, and so be together like this to me, and keep watching like this, and thank you for giving your this much love and time.